The second book we have to offer on the crowdfunding effort is called the Diabetic Goodie Book, Classic Desserts and Baked Goods to Satisfy Your Sweet Tooth. This book is written by Kathy Cochin, who is a cooking enthusiast who regularly lectured and taught healthy cooking and baking classes in her native New Jersey. This book features over 190 heart-healthy, metabolic-friendly, weight management helpful baked goods and cold treats, easily assembled using fiber-filled whole grains, fresh fruits, and just small amounts of sugar without the use of artificial sweeteners. In fact, most of her recipes that she uses sugar uses only 1/4 cup of sugar for 12 to 16 servings. Here you're seeing the orange honey custard, which has an unexpected ingredient in it that makes this dessert outstanding and more nutritious. I chose this to put on the page with the foreword that I wrote for her book because it can be made in the microwave for 10 minutes of prep time, 11 minutes in the microwave, and ready to be eaten. Each section divider gives tips and tricks, as you see here in the cookies and bars. And we even included the America's favorite cookie recipe, chocolate chip cookies, that is made with very little sugar, mini chocolate chips, whole wheat and white, and oat flour. In fact, 2 cookies are under 100 calories or 1 carb choice. Kathy's greatest triumph was her cheesecakes. She perfected a way to make yogurt cheese to give her cheesecakes the same creaminess and firmness of cream cheese. She uses ricotta, cottage cheese, and buttermilk. No baked strawberry swirled cheesecake and the pumpkin swirled cheesecake are what you are looking at now. The Diabetic Goodie Book also contains coffee cakes, quick breads, muffins, and scones, as you see here with the zucchini muffins. Again, this book is offered to you as an incentive at the $100 donation level.